Sight words are words that appear more frequently in reading and writing. Kids need to recognize it instantly when they see the word. That's why it is called sight word. Dear parents and teachers, once you introduce sight words to kids, they need to see it daily and practice so it gets printed in their mind. It just takes 10 minutes. Show this video daily to your kids and you will notice a remarkable change in their reading. Mark my words. Hello, are you ready to read sight words? Okay, don't be shy. I want to hear your big voice. Here we go. I is at we he to go on up. It's your chance to read. Keep going. Good job. Well done. Off. On do so am me be by if it's your chance to read. Keep going. Good job. Well done. In as us my he are the she and for it's your chance to read. Keep going. Good job. Well done. All. You can see big put his her has had It's your chance to read. Keep going. Good job. Well done. But now him not old new out use ask one It's your chance to read. Keep going. Good job. Well done.
Friends, please explore other educational videos by Edupedia, World of Education, from iLink appearing on the right side corner. Thanks.
Hope you liked the video. Share to your friends and family. Subscribe now. Press bell icon for notification for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.